Okay, sorry about that. All right, so that is the file explorer. As I was saying, this is a tool that is built into your computer which helps you to manage your files and folders. So we are looking at the various parts of the file explorer. So like we said, the first part we talked about is the navigation pane. So the navigation pane, for easy understanding, I said you can just look at it as the various sections in a filing cabinet. Okay, in the filing cabinet you will label sections. These particular type of documents are going to be here. Okay, good. So see this place just like that, huh? Then you will have a better understanding of it. Okay, so we also have this middle area here. So here, usually, depending on the location that you are, if you are on the desktop, the files and folders on the desktop will appear in the middle here. So currently we are in the quick access. So quick access, usually you will see files and folders that have been frequently opened. So those are the ones that would appear here. Okay, so depending on the location that you are in, those files and folders in that particular location will appear in the middle here. So we also have the search bar here. So we say the search bar helps you to quickly locate files and folders. So if you are on a particular location and you want to quickly get a document from that location, instead of you going through the folders, opening here and there, you can just quickly search for the file here that is in the search bar. Okay, then we have the address bar here, this long horizontal bar where you have quick access currently. So this is the address bar. This one shows you the location that you are currently on. So currently we are on quick access. So if you open File Explorer, okay, by default it takes you to what? The quick access. So quick access here shows files and folders that have been frequently opened on your computer. So if you have opened a particular file or a folder on your computer most frequently, whenever you open the File Explorer, then it shows those here. So you can see here, it even categorized them frequent folders. So this particular system where this screenshot was taken, these folders have been frequently opened, and you can see it also shows you the recent files that have been recently opened on this particular system. Okay, good. So from there we have the ribbon here at the top, where you have home, share and view. That's the ribbon area. So here, usually, on the home, you have various operations that you can carry out on files and folders, like copying or moving them from one location to the other. Okay, so but you can also do these things in other areas, but then you also have options available here, so you can choose to use them as well. Okay, and then you also have a set of all other options here, okay, that you can do on a particular file. So for view, we talked about it before. We said view is where you can change how your files and folders appear in terms of viewing them. If you want to view them as small icons, big icons, or even as a list. Okay, so we are going to see that later, inshallah. So basically, that is the Windows File Explorer, and I have also shown you how you can open it. So we have that on the previous slide. In case if you missed that, that is here. So to open it, these are two ways that you can do it. One is that you click on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. Okay, so if you look at your computer, by default at the bottom here you will have this yellow icon here, this one. So if you point at it, it shows you what File Explorer. So one way of accessing it is you click on it here, okay, then it opens up. Now the other option is you click Windows key and E. All right, by now I think we all know the Windows key on the keyboard, right? Who is here that did not know the Windows key on the keyboard? The Windows key. Okay, the Windows key is the key that has the Microsoft logo on your keyboard. Okay, let me quickly show you that. Okay, it has Microsoft logo on your keyboard. Wow, this one is taking time. Is there anyone that has problems in locating the Windows key on your keyboard? Okay, so it's right here, huh? This key here, this one, this is Microsoft logo. So the key that has this. So if you press that key, if you press that key, okay, some people are saying they cannot see. So it's right here. Can you see my screen now? You're not seeing it? Okay, so it's here, this one. Okay, so if you press this key and hold it down, then press letter E on your keyboard, this opens up the File Explorer for you. Or the other way you can do it is next to your start button there is a search bar. You can just click in there and type file. So as soon as you type file, then it pops up here, File Explorer, then you can open it. So those are various ways to do it. So like I was saying, what you see on the image before might look a little different from what I am seeing here now. Okay, that's because I am on a different operating system. Okay, that was on Windows 10, but for me here I am using Windows 11. Okay, so Microsoft, on any of their I mean operating system upgrades, they will try to bring in as much new features as possible. So this is not an exception to that. So you see the previous image I've shown you, this is for Windows 10, but if you look at for 11, you will notice some slight changes. All right, but it's still the same concepts, huh? So you can see what they did in 11 was the ribbon. If you can notice the ribbon, in 10 it was somewhere around here, right? But in 11 you now have it below here. So those are just slight changes, okay? So but if you get the concept in 10, then it's easier in the 11 also. Okay, so you can see my navigation pane here. You can see my search bar. So here is my search bar. Okay, then you can also see my address bar here. All right, so that one too, there has been a slight difference. Then you can see my ribbon, so my view options are here. Okay, okay, so that is it, huh? Okay, good. So that's it. That is it. Okay, so that's the File Explorer for you. So I'm gonna stop this recording and start